trace the first mask on another piece of fun foam so that we can have another mask for the backing. Okay, and when you cut it out, you're going to cut slightly inside the line. You want it to be a little bit smaller than the front mask. This one will just give it strength, a little more firmness. And the eye holes can be cut a little bit larger so that the backing mask doesn't show through to the front. We'll trace those eye holes, and then we'll cut them out just a little bit larger on the backing one.